Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, sorry there hasn't been a video for the past day or two. I've been in the middle of a pretty major rewrite of a lot of the code, so it's a lot faster. Also, there are a few changes. You can probably see already by the HUD bar that it is now a mod that is managed in its own directory. So all of the bars, the hunger bar and the breath bar, the armor bar isn't updated yet. I had to rewrite a couple of functions, but you can see that when I go in the water now. First of all, you can't run in water, and I did that in preparations for swimming updates. But you can see that when I go underwater, the breath bar comes up. Then it goes down. So this makes water a bit more dangerous. Also, don't try to fight mobs in the water. There's going to be flippers, so you can swim in the water. Also, the player animation is broken right now. I have to rewrite that mod. I'll do that later or tomorrow. You're gonna have to excuse me from yawning. I just wrote, I don't even know how many lines of code over again. Basically, mainly from going and using player meta to using local variables which can be indexed by other mods, and basically a whole data handling ecosystem so that the game is much faster. Also, you can probably see the FOV is smoother because it's only doing set FOV once or twice. Well, it's only doing it once, I mean. But it's basically smoother because it's not trying to constantly set it to the client. But yeah, the player model, the reason it's not updating is because it's still trying to get metadata, and the player mechanics mod is way different now. So is hunger, and so is drowning. Like, these mods are, besides the hunger, it is pretty much real time. But I tried to optimize the data so that it is super fast. So this is a major update to, let's see, give me main, no, farming, cactus. You can see that you can't glitch it anymore. That's because I figured out a simple method to create touch-based collision detection using get nodes and area. So just, excuse me. So just be careful around cactuses. Because now they're insanely precise. Also, be careful around lava, because now it uses the same method I used for that, only I tweaked it slightly so that you have to actually have your collision box on the side of the node, like the regular hurt inside or whatever it's called in the API. So fire is temporarily disabled until I rewrite it, which will probably be tomorrow. because I have to go through that code and make it a lot more efficient, so it's a lot better on servers. But these new methods for everything are super nice. They feel way better. Oh no. I need to make that reset the tick on the health regeneration so it doesn't fight it. And that'll give it quite a bit more polish, resetting the tick for it. I'd show you guys some of the code, but I changed so much stuff, it's basically not even the same mechanics anymore. They're much more polished. You can see that I can't glitch across it. No matter how much I try. Same with that. And there goes all my items. Mobs are on the list. Mobs have a pretty extreme amount of optimizations I can do to them, especially in the head code. So expect pretty substantial performance boosts upcoming. And I thought moving this stuff to real time I'd have to like back it off a little bit, but the game actually seems to run faster now, so it's very nice. Also, don't try to do this glitch, because this will happen. Let's see if I can do it. There we go. Oops. Oh, I got knocked out again. So the moment you start to suffocate, or you get, basically your camera gets blocked, you start to suffocate. I have to tweak mobs spawning algorithm, and I have to tweak them to be way less difficult, because I noticed that they're extremely difficult. Nope, no, no, like that. Exactly. Also, I'm tempted to make the armor bar disappear when it's empty, just like the breath bar, because you can see it cleans it up quite a bit actually. I thought it was going to make it look a little empty, but it turns out it looks a little bit nicer. Oh no. I gotta remove that smoke cloud by overriding the texture too. Also, if you get hurt, I'm gonna make it so you turn red like a mob. And also, when you die, I'm gonna make the character fall over like they're a mob. So, we'll see how that goes. But anyways, guys, if you want to try out the new mechanics, they should run a bit better. I've overhauled snow with optimizations, basically localizations and whatnot. So give them a try and set the weather to snow and see if the game runs any faster for you. It hopefully should. I've also got my view range cranked way up. Oh no. Oh no. I got killed so hard it knocked me into the next dimension. Okay, here's another bug on the top left. You can see that when you die it says something witty, but I have to disable that for single player because I can't override the "you died" message. But when you're on a server, it doesn't tell you you died. It says literally nothing. So I can make it say silly stuff like that. Like, I didn't even know you could have negative health, and they drop their stuff, go get it, and try not to keep dying. I think there's like 25 or 6 messages that can play. Also, there's leave and join messages on a server now. So it's getting there, it's getting there. I have to polish it so that it's much, much better. Because before I can move on to add any more features, I need to make it so not only I can easily access localized variables within mods, but if people make mods for this, then they can, I don't know, create like enchantments that set your hunger or set your armor and stuff like that. So, anyways, guys, I'm gonna go take a nap. I'll see you guys in the next video, and well, see you in the next video. Peace out.